Hello YouTube, my name is Bernie with Air Dynamics HVAC, and we are back for another round of You Ask and We Answer. I have a list of questions here that you guys have asked, and we are going to go through now. Our first question is how often should I change my furnace filter? You should change your furnace filter roughly every 30 days, but that also depends on the type of filtration system you have. If you have an advanced filtration system, that may vary to as little as once every 6 months. But most standard furnaces that are using a 1-inch filter, you're going to change your filter every 30 days. How do I know if my thermostat is working correctly? Well, the first indication that your thermostat is working correctly is going to be the fact that it's reaching your set points. So if you see that you have it set to, let's say, 65 degrees and your home is 65 degrees, that's a good indication that everything is working properly. If you would like to test your thermostat on its own, you can purchase another thermometer and hold it close to that thermostat. Most thermometers or thermostats are going to work with about 3 degrees from each other. So if your temperatures are within 3 degrees from each other between the two thermometers or between the thermostat and your thermometer, then chances are your thermostat is in good working order. What's the ideal thermostat setting for my heat during the winter? Now this could also vary depending on the type of system that you have, but a standard thermostat setting for efficiency throughout the winter is going to be roughly between 65 and 72 degrees. There's a lot of factors with that, and one of them dependent on your comfort level and humidity levels within the home. Why isn't my heater blowing warm air? There's a lot of possibilities why your heater is not blowing warm air. The first thing we can check as a homeowner would be checking your emergency service switch, making sure that's in the on position. You can also check your breakers, making sure that is in the on position. At times, there's also an actual service switch on the heater itself. You want to make sure that that is also in the on position. If everything is in the on position and you're confident your thermostat is calling for heat and it's still not working, we'd recommend you call your professionals at Air Dynamics HVAC. Can a heater leak carbon monoxide, and how can I detect it? Depending on the type of system you have, yes, absolutely a heater can leak carbon monoxide. You're typically going to see that around fossil fuel systems, such as systems that work off of natural gas, propane, or oil fuel. You're not going to have a carbon monoxide issue with an electric heating system. If you're interested in how to detect carbon monoxide in your home, we would suggest that you purchase a carbon monoxide alarm. That alarm can be placed somewhere within the room of the heating system and also in the room that that heating system serves. If you happen to have carbon monoxide in the airstream, that will be detected by the carbon monoxide detector. How do I know what type of heating system is best for my home? Well, there's a lot of answers to that question. My recommendation when choosing a heating system would be to call Air Dynamics HVAC, and we can come out, evaluate your home, and choose a system that is best for you. If you are not in our service area, call a local professional that you trust to come out and evaluate your home and select a heater that's best for your application. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, or leave a question in the comment section, and we'll do our best to address that in our next video.